let's open up my December Boxycharm box and my Ipsy glam bag. Let's open my Ipsy packages. Start out with the glam bag. It says unwrap joy, so I hope we unwrap some joy. I have never been more thrilled. You have no idea. This is the e.l.f. Invisible Sunscreen Primer. I use this every single day. Every single day. I have not been able to find it and I'm empty. We did unwrap joy. It is joyful. I'm so excited. The glam bag, actual bag, looks like this. It's giving Cindy Lou Who vibes a little bit. Next we have a BYOD eyeshadow wand. It's just like a shimmery color. I don't usually do cream eyeshadows. I feel like they get chunky sometimes. Then we have a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow, just like a mini one. It's either Sophia and Mabel or Sophia Mabel. It's a lipstick pill. I'm gonna open this up. It's a little bit more purpley and brown than what I go for, but very cute packaging. And the last item in here is Hydrogel Eye Therapy Pink Perspective. I think they're just eye patches. Who are they made by? Oh, Evio Skin. They're just eye patches. Not bad, not bad. Let's move on to the Boxycharm box. This one's gonna be 5 full-size products. This is from Dermalectives. It's a triple power collagen moisturizer. Look at that packaging. It almost looks like a bar mixer. It's very heavy. We have from Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. From Pink Bee Beauty, it is a perfect lip combo. From Ofra, we have a verified liquid liner. Kind of big packaging for that little. It is a Rose and Wood palette. Very pretty and shimmery. I want to try this lip combo. On one side it's this color, and then it has like a gloss. That's this color as well. Put it on. It almost made the other one look better. I think I'm gonna like this one. That is everything that came inside of my December Ipsy packages, boxes, whatever. Merry Christmas.